Your baby float. Yesterday I was at the pool and I was in my little sister's baby float, and I was saying, "I'm in the baby float. I'm in the baby float." Hello. I was screaming.
Hello.
Reedy tube. Ow! You just hit me in the eye. Ow, guys! Whoa! I am looking up our videos right now. Stop it! Stop it! Okay. Oh, strawberry! Strawberry! Strawberry!
Strawberries! Strawberries! Strawberries!
I taught Annette how to do this. She goes,
Strawberries!
and that's our little sister.
Strawberries!
More or less.
Strawberries!
Stop. And that's our little sister, more or less. My little baby girl. I love her. Okay, bye-bye.